Hi, a very good afternoon to all the viewers. My name is Rain, founder of Forex 100 Academy Private Limited. Just let me set up some more streaming itself. Um, you can hear me all good? Yeah, it's the first time we are doing YouTube live. So, yep, and of course, trying to do it on Periscope as well. So today for the live trading itself, there are a couple of consideration. The currency pair we are looking at is Australian franc as one of it, and of course, some of the couple suggestion that we have is Australian yen. All right, we have shared the link in Facebook as well, so you can share it to your friends, your viewers, and perhaps it's a good time to start to do your analysis on your support and resistance level. All right. So yep. Hi. Just give me a while to set up the camera over here. Hi, can you hear me good? Viewers in Periscope? Still figuring out this thing. Alright. Can you hear me good? Hi Vanessa, you should look at the if you can hear me alright, you should look at the YouTube one instead. Yeah. Because YouTube one you can see my chart. But Periscope you can't see my chart, you only can see behind the scene. But since you're in Periscope, can you hear me alright? Okay, we are doing a bit behind the scene. Okay, all good, all set up. Now we are around 5 minutes going into the session itself. We are about 5 minutes going into the session, so it is a good time to do your support and resistance. And of course, if you're first time seeing this, hit the subscribe button, and you will be informed on our next upcoming session before anyone else. All right, so let us go back to the chart. This is Australian franc. I thought this is pretty a good pair. Let me just go down to Australian yen to take a look. Nope, I'm going back to Aussie franc. For my students, you will know that I am usually looking at 15. Um, the reason why I did 5 minutes today because I'm trying to do a demo for that. It's not a good practice. So if you are doing this like trading and you have some consideration if you are going to trade that. My suggestion is you can choose to give this a miss. If not, by dropping to 5 minutes time frame, um, you have to be trading lesser than before. That's my take. Alright, so we are about 3 minutes before the news itself, and yeah, we shall see how it goes. I have decided to stick with Australian franc because the setup for Australian franc is so much better compared to other Australia related currency pairs we are trading. And of course at around 12 I already have made my checks on all currencies. First time in YouTube itself, so it would be good if viewers can let me know how it goes. Other than the video resolution for the webcam, I will find time to work that out, and not a very IT person, more towards a trader instead. So I work on that, that's for sure. um, but do let me know how do I sound and this and that, or I will be looking at the review later. I mean video later. So we're about 2 minutes before the news. This is when I will go to forexfactory.com and do a quick refresh. Alright, I will do a quick refresh, and after you refresh you will see something like this. Alright, this button itself. And of course, if the cash rates is better than expected, um, as in if they increase interest rate, Aussie will go up. If not, if they decrease, Aussie will go down. I don't see anything towards that, but there will be a statement release that is an important part. So you can just click latest release, and once the statement is out, you can just read it. Alright, so the latest statement I have is 18th of August, because the new one have not released yet. So it's a good take or good call for you to read at that statement once it's released. That's one of it, and that's that. Alright. Okay, we are 30 seconds to the news itself, and this is when I will start to place my orders. Alright, and we watch and see how the market move. After you place the orders itself, likewise any other trades, once you have placed the order, the control, you have passed it over to the market. What else you can do is just to follow through your rules, your trading rules itself, and do whatever that is necessary. We can see the initial upward movement, but we will see how the market move over here. Alright, we are using a 5-minute chart for today. Alright, and we have some rules that we stick very closely with when we are doing short trading. Alright, the rate result came out unchanged. So what matters is the statement, which is has just released. Alright, the statement is out. Alright, what you can do, this statement itself, you can either go to the website. I'll paste the link for you. You can decipher it yourself, or what you can do later is you can go to www.forex100academy.com. Our analysts will, because we are having a company meeting soon, but after the meeting, our analysts will actually decipher the news for you. We will share our insights for that. Subscribe to us. There's no loss to it. It's free for the website. And of course, if you like some great trading ideas, you might want to subscribe to our trade ideas itself. Um, so you get some ideas on how to engage the trade, or some of the fantastic trading development that you can have um, in the trade itself as well. Okay, so yeah, it's a pretty interesting day today. There's quite a handful for us to do. Our report for last month is already out. Yeah, we did pretty well last month, and um, personally for trade ideas, I have produced 867 pips of net profit. All right, that is in a single month. You might be thinking, wow, that must be a lot of trade to go. uh Truth to be told, 13 trades are only being shared. One is a replicate trade itself because have a preferred price level, and one of it is invalid, and two hit stop losses. The net profit is 867 pips. All right, so we average out 100 over pips per trade. I think that's pretty good. um yep. And our analyst as well is doing pretty good as well. I have one analyst that is doing 2000 pips. She posted one, sometime two analysis a day. And that is complimentary for now for our trade idea subscriber. All right. So it has went to the limit of what we will be doing for live trading. None of the trade is being triggered, so I remove the pending order. The rationale behind this is because this entire thing is based on um, what we call a news trading itself. So if it doesn't trigger, then it is no longer a news trading thing, but rather whatever developed from here is the trend trading. Do take note that today there are a couple of news going on, so do take note of that. We have more Australian news later part of today. um, at 5 o'clock, 5:10, government Louis is going to speak. We may or may not go live, so just hit the subscribe button. You will be informed once we go live. All right. So if you do allow me to do a quick um, sharing itself on our last month um, trade ideas, um, we did pretty a good result. All right, a pretty good result itself. Okay, and I don't know how much of this you're able to see, but I will be updating a link later after I have posted it PDF uh, over on the other side. Yeah, maybe I can do this. All right, let's see how this fit in perfectly. All right, so as you can see over here is our trade ideas result for the month of August itself. um, and of course this is the disclaimer we have. Okay, so the first trade we have over here is Australian yen. um, Australian yen itself, we hit a total profit of 113 pips. And let me just shift this a bit. Okay, that's Australian yen. And of course, that is 113 pips itself. And there is a video link over here. Just subscribe to, or rather open an account in the website I shared with you earlier on. It's free. It's www.forexacademy.com. We'll be posting this result uh, on the website. You will have the link. You can click on the link to check on the video and see how we engage the trade. Moving forward, we have the second trade, dollar franc. We did a short. For this, it hit our target to 68 pips. All right. So and so forth. This is 227 pips. Okay. You can can look at the chart as well, or click at the video to find out more. Alright. Okay, these are all the trades. Everything is here. Alright, and when you see this C23rd of August, because this is the replicated trade that I shared with you earlier on, I reposted it. Alright, invalid and unprofitable trade over here. Trade is not triggered for Australian dollar. For my subscriber, I'm looking at this level for a short again. So yes, I'm not going to do anything on Australian dollar till it hit this level. And this is the one that hit losses, 72 pips and 40 pips. So out of 13 trades, 2 hit losses. I feel that's not too bad. Total profits for month of August, 979 pips. Total losses, 112. Net profit, 867. If let's say we are using 1 pip equivalent to 10 US dollar, which means based on the standard lot size, yes, I do know that some crosses is not $10 a pip, but for easy calculation, we just use 10. Total profits 9,790 minus the losses. You still got around $8,670 thereabouts. Alright, so one note of caution, past result doesn't reflect on future gains, and this trade ideas itself is not like when you subscribe to it, you start to ask questions like oh, what's my view on euro dollar, what's my view on pound yen. If I didn't posted anything, that means nothing yet. The reason why this works so well is because we filter the trades that have the highest possible returns before we post it. That's the reason. And of course, subscribe to us. For the first month, it's only 10. Alright, it's only 10 US dollar limited offer, and following month is just 100. Just take a look at this, and the value of it certainly worth it. It is not the pips I am referring to, but rather the video. You will get to see what is the top-down analysis, what is the thoughts I had before I engage the trade. Alright, and how those trade develop itself. I think is a pretty good ongoing learning program. You are expecting around 12 videos. I am not committing to 12 videos a month, but I'm doing my best to produce 12. Let's take a look, guys. If there is a good trade, will you prefer me not sharing it than to squeeze a trade? Alright, that's one. And of course, the other part is the intangible, where you shouldn't be trading things that it is not towards whatever you believe in your trading. That's trader discipline, very important. Alright, so I don't want to have a bad demonstration on that. And of course, yep, I don't see any reason you shouldn't subscribe to it. Alright, nothing to lose on your end. Previous month we are doing personally I've shared 1,208 pips. Market standards, a professional trader, fetching around 400 pips is considered pretty good. These 2 months, our trading strategy fits perfectly into the market, and of course we are watching closely. And of course this month I'm even much more disciplined than before, because once you have good winning trades, the only concern you have is that you might not be as disciplined. You might miss out something. That's generally most of traders, they have such issues. And of course, as a trader myself, I am very aware of that. I just want to make sure that I am just as disciplined as I should be. Alright, if you like what you are seeing, please click the subscription button, and I will see you soon on the next video. All the best for you, and good luck in your trading. Till then, I'll see you again.